Do you struggle with staying organized during the summertime? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to talk about 6 organizing plans for the summer here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granock. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field. And summer is a great time, but sometimes we can really lose track of it. And before you know it, school year is rolled around again. So today we're going to talk about 6 plans that you can have over the summer so you can stay on top of things. Has the summer heat got you feeling beat? Well, you can maximize your energy by organizing your summer tasks. So here are 6 tips for keeping a cooler head this summer. Our first one is to plan your outdoor chores for the coolest times. So schedule your mowing, weeding, gardening activities for the early part of the morning or in the last hours of daylight in the evening. Make sure to apply sunscreen every few hours and drink water at least once an hour to prevent dehydration. Remember, if you wait until you're thirsty, you may already be dehydrated. Our second plan is to organize your errands. So beat the heat by grouping your errands together to save time and gas. Aim for going for 2 days of shopping per week. Make sure you bring water with you in the car, as well as your sunglasses and a layer of sunscreen, because yes, you can get a tan or a sunburn just by being in your car. The third plan is to avoid overexertion indoors. So do your household tasks like cooking, cleaning, and doing laundry early in the day or in the evening to keep both you and your house as cool as possible. And on really hot days, consider closing the curtains to avoid the excess heat from outside. The fourth plan is to use seasonal produce to spice up your dinner time. So create some meals this summer that feature summer fruits and vegetables, like sliced tomato and cheese salads, grilled corn, chilled gazpacho soup, or homemade ice cream with a fresh berry topping. Get input from all your family members on what their favorite summer foods are, and then use the weekly store sales circular to plan out your week of delicious home-cooked meals. Now, here's a kitchen tip for the summer. If you are going to cook, double your portions or triple, quadruple, whatever you want, of hot items, and then freeze the leftovers. You'll use your oven less, but you'll have double or more the amount of your homemade meals. Now, if you want to avoid heating your kitchen altogether, consider making more of your meals outside on your grill during the summer. Our fifth plan for the summertime is to pack for trips the night before. So to jumpstart any outing, gather up as many of your supplies as you can together the night before and pack your car in the evening. Prep all your food and bag it up in the refrigerator so you're ready to go. Lay out your travel outfit, charge up all your electronic equipment before you go to bed. And now you'll be ready to get up and get out. Our sixth and final plan for the summer is to make a list of indoor attractions. So have a list ready to go of local places to visit when it's either too hot or too rainy to go outside. In addition to the 3 M's, museums, malls, and movie theaters, you can turn your home into a fun air-conditioned escape. You can convert your basement or family room into a camping ground, a picnic site, or even a movie theater for a new twist on an old favorite. I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday. So be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go, so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.